Hello, my name is Sherilyn Marlowe and I work here at Yokogawa with our liquid process analyzers. Today I'm going to show you how when you have a sensor that has like this alarm gives you, the impedance reference too high, how you can set up your analyzer to actually auto trip a wash cycle. The first thing that we need to do is define what we have as too high or too low for our coding of our sensor. What you do is you go underneath the sensor, you go under Menu, Setting, Wellness Settings, and you're going to scroll down until you see Impedance 2. Impedance 2 high limit and low limit. For this example, I put it as 500 in a last video that we did, but normally you're going to keep this at 200, or you'd actually even do it lower than 200 for most applications. Then you're going to set it to enable. Any changes you modify based on what your company wants to do, you do this here. Now you hit save. Okay, we're going to go home, and now we're going to go under the converter menu and under settings and configure our contact output setting. We're going to use S2 in this application because we have it set for alarm, sensor 1, which is the sensor we're looking at, and we have it going to go for the wash cycle. You can either scroll, or I don't really like the scroll, but you can scroll. My fingers are too sensitive for it. Or you can use the up and down arrows. And here, you're going to define your wash cycle, interval time, how long you want it to run every 6 hours, how long you want it to run, this is a half a minute, how long you want to give the sensor time to recover before it goes back into normal measurement mode. So that is how we're going to do it. Also, manual wash, you can enable, and you can do impedance 2 wash on sensor 1. So what impedance 2 wash means, it's reading that impedance 2 value of the coding of the sensor, and we're looking at sensor 1, and now this contact will start this wash cycle up above that we have already defined. It is that simple and that user friendly. If you have any questions, please contact our Yokogawa support. Thanks, have a great day.